All right, just a quick video to show you how to stack your Ethereum coins on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm logged into the Coinbase homepage. You're going to scroll down to Ethereum. Once there, as you can see my balance, I'm going to scroll down where it says Stake Now. I'm going to hit Stake Now. Then it says you are about to stake your Ethereum to get Ethereum 2. I'm going to click Understand. It's asking me how much of my Ethereum I want to stake. I have about $2,000, so I'm going to stake them all. And then I'm going to hit continue. Then it asks me to stake now. It tells me I'm going to get a 6% return on $2,000. So I'm going to select stake now. I've successfully staked my Ethereum.